Hello, my name is Brett Molyneux, and I'm with the Security Products Business Unit at Microchip. Here we have our post-quantum firmware verification with embedded controllers demo, where we can see how the size of public keys and private keys changes for post-quantum cryptography requirements. We also go over a short secure boot example where we have a data and we do a little firmware signature and verify, and as well as a session keys. So this is for the transfer to CNSA 2.0 from 1.0, which is the new government standards in the US for integrating PQC applications.
So by how much do all the security stuff expand?
Yes.
Because of the post-quantum.
So quantum computers break current public key cryptography. And so they needed to develop new algorithms that were more robust. And the new algorithms they developed were matrix lattice-based algorithms. And they also require larger key sizes. This is able to ideally protect against quantum threats.
So that means people are already launching these security systems in advance of the quantum computers being on the market.
The risk of quantum computers, even though they aren't practically available, there is the risk of harvest now, decrypt later. So hackers can harvest all the data now that uses the current public key infrastructures, and they can wait till they have a quantum computer to decrypt it later. So the transition is very urgent that it happens now. And so lots of larger industries and governments are looking to transfer to post-quantum cryptography.
Is this brand new or it's already deployed?
So this product is our MEC175xB family. It came out earlier this year, and it is now available for purchase. It was an earlier adopter program this year. This one is specifically for laptop and industrial applications, and its primary purpose is to do secure boot for those applications.
All right, and then people might be future-proof for the first few quantum computers.
Yes,
and then
for the first, well, security is a long game. You always updating, so.
And what do you show on the screen behind here?
On this one, we are showing firmware over-the-air updates. So this is a direct response to the Cyber Resilience Act in Europe that requires increased security for internet-connected devices. What we have here is our development board, our CryptoAuth Pro Trust Platform development board with a Wink SO2 on it. It has a light sensor and a temperature sensor, and so what we're able to do for the example is just switch between the two firmwares on here. So we use our keySTREAM partner, Kudelski. They have a keySTREAM that manages keySTREAM Cloud that manages cryptographic credentials and allows us to do in-field provisioning to our ECC608 secure element device.
It's very important to have secure updates.
Yes.
And is this like a new way of doing it?
So this is a very, it's not necessarily new, but it's a lot more practical. So originally, when we provisioned secure element devices, we provisioned them in factory, and customers were responsible for setting up the key management system on their own cloud servers or on rented space. And so what we've done is we've taken the work off of the customer to create the key management system and instead just provide them this interface where they can have a root certificate authority that they create fleet profiles for, and they can refurbish, renew, and revoke devices per needed. You can transfer ownership of the device to another one, all through the cloud without physically touching the device.
And there's redundancy, or if there's an update error, it just reverts?
So our secure element device, what it does in this sense is it will always run a verification on the firmware package that's delivered to the device, therefore ensuring that the security aspect, it's ensuring that the firmware delivered is verified by the original manufacturer.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptop to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats. HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging, education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.